Hello, welcome. My name is David Isamuji. I'm the owner and founder of What a T-Shirt Design. If you're just joining me for the first time, I want to say welcome. I really appreciate you guys for clicking through to watch this T-shirt design course online video. Yes, I do T-shirt design course online video daily. I put out T-shirt design videos daily. So if this is something you're interested in, please make sure you follow me, like, subscribe, share this channel with your friends and family. This is a channel where we put out designs which can make you passive income from Redbubble, Teepublic Teespring, and Match by Amazon. If this is something you want, then please stick around. Please don't click off. I always advise, if you click on a tutorial to learn something new, then I always advise you to watch to the end. You don't have to click off the video after 1 minute, 2 minutes. Always learn to watch to the very end. It's just about 10 minutes. If you see my course, most of my course are yet to find one above 20 minutes. See 10, 10, 10, 13. It's mostly like that. It's mostly like that. If you go through my channel, it's mostly like that. You only find few above that. Just see, okay, this was above that because this was done for Skillshare and I just uploaded it as a bonus on my channel. So see 6 minutes, 12 minutes, 7 minutes. You hardly find my course going above that minute. This is another one. This one I talked about a lot of things here, so you hardly find those ones. See another 19, but you hardly find those. I don't think there are any other ones like that again. Mostly 14, 14, 16. You just give yourself that amount of time and you'll be good to go. So without wasting much of your time, I'll just go straight right into this one. So let's go straight right into this. So we'll go to a site called Flat Icons. These are the sites I used to get my designs. You see those little things I talked about now. Those are the things that take my time, my minutes up on my designs. But once I don't talk about those things, naturally my designs are 10 minutes max, 15 minutes. So without wasting much of time, let's just go into this. I'll just search for man. Remember, when you use this site, always remember to give credit. Always remember to give credit. Super important. You always want to give credit when you use this site for your designs. Always give out credit. Credit are important. You can't just use your design without giving out credit. I always advise you guys, when you give out credit. I'm looking for something like this, okay, this will work. So okay, let me see if I'll find on that one, but if I don't, I'll just work with that. Okay, no other one. I think this is okay. This is totally okay, so I can work with this. So I'll just click on it. This is it. Then I'll click on PNG. As you can see, this is the owner, Critical Creative Agency. So always make sure you give them credit in your design. You can put that in the description for them. Just let them know you used their design. Just say design element from Critical Creative Agency. You get the way it works. So just something simple is appreciated. These guys put a lot of work into this, so please always give them credit. So now just click on download. Okay, you can see it's done downloading. Now we're done with this site. We don't need this site anymore, so you can just close that. And now we open Photoshop. I use Photoshop CC. As you can see, Photoshop CC, you can use any Photoshop, but I prefer Photoshop CC for some reasons, which you can ask me in the comment if you don't mind, and I will reply you. I reply almost all my comments. If the comments are not too much, I will definitely reply. So the standard is 4500 by 5400. I'll click on OK. Just you can save it and get this down so that you get used to it. Press OK. The next step is to put up this padlock. Why do you do that? So that you can turn off this background at the end of your design. So for now, we'll just get straight into the design. So to start this design, I'm going to bring in this shape. It's called the rounded rectangular tool. So I'm just going to bring that in and just draw a line. Just going to draw a line. Okay. Just going to draw a line. So for this, as you can see, the line is drawn up. So now I'm going to bring in my elements. I'll move this line down a bit, as you can see. Then I'm going to click on this. I'm going to press on my control button and then I'll click on this layer 0 just to position this in the middle. As you can see, now it's in the middle, so I'll go back. Remember the element we just downloaded, the man. So I'm going to go to show folder and just drag him into the space. Drag him into the space. Just going to drag him into the space. So as you can see, I'm going to reduce the man a bit. So to do that, over my mouse to this edge, and I'll press down key button, my Alt key button, Shift key button, my left mouse click button, and I'll just drag the man. So just place the man, drag it down. I think it's okay. So I'm going to place 4 of this. So just keep going. You can see the man is going to be on that is shape. Yes, that's where I want him to be. So now I'm going to drag 3 more. So just place him there, place him there, and place him there. So that is it. So now you see this particular man, I'm going to do Ctrl T, and I'm just going to turn him the other way around. Just going to turn him the other way around, as you can see, and I'll move him downwards. It's a simple design. This is a motivational kind of design, so you get the idea soon. You definitely get the idea of what I'm trying to pull out here. You definitely get the idea. So now that we have those other ones all set up, we have the other ones all set up. So as you can see, this man won't work on a black shirt. So what I want to do is I'll just change the men to have the color of this line. I'll just make them have the color of this line. So to do that, I'm going to group them. So to group them, I'm going to click on this male, press my control button, click on this, click on this, click on this, and I'll do Ctrl G. Now that they are grouped up, I'll just double tap on this edge, color overlay, and now I'll just pick this orange. As you can see, now I have that orange. So now we're done with that first step. So you see this triangle, I can decide to drag it into this group, you can see. So now if I put that off, it all goes off. So now I'm going to drag this down a bit, and then we're going to move on to the next step, which is putting our wordings in. So for this, it's going to say, let me change the color. To, should I make it gray? So now we increase this to about 60. So this one is just going to say learn to stand out. See, it's quite simple. I'll do Ctrl A to highlight it and just increase this a bit. Making sure it's just about, let me do okay, 95. Just making sure it's just about the right size. Remember how I told you to position it in the middle. It's just gonna be learn to stand out. So I'll change that color also, but before then I'll just click on that, press my control key button down and click on layer 0 and press on this center forward, light center. Why I did that so that to position the design. So now we'll just change this color. Or better still, we can just leave this, leave that the way it is, and just change the background color to black. So that's what it means, is that this design is going to have the background. So make that gray. Just make that gray. And then we just go back to learn to stand out font and try to change it, because we can't see it the way it is now. So color overlay, I'll just make that something you can see. You can make it, okay, you can make it this color. So now we have it led to standard, but this I would like to put up this background. I don't want the background, I just want my design. So now you see we have it. All we have to do now is to save it. Go to file, save as plain to stand out. Just make sure you save it as something you remember in the future when you need it. Remember to save it as PNG because you don't want the white background. You just click that, save it as PNG. And if we check the time now, we should be around 8 minutes, 7-8 minutes for this. 7-8 minutes. Okay, just about 10. As you can see, it's not so complicated, and our design is up, and we are good to go. So now that we've saved it, we can now move it into Redbubble Teepublic. Just upload it here, take your mockup, and you can upload it, promote it on Pinterest, on Instagram, and you will definitely get sales. This is a motivational t-shirt, and it will sell just the way it is. So to your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch about 10 videos in depth, watch them to the end, not just watching them for the fun, watch them to the end, and you get to understand more things. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Have a lovely day. Stay blessed.